guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful, elegant bridal makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm starting off by applying my concealer all over my eyelid just to make sure that it pops, and I'm going in with my L.A Girl Wander+Lust palette, and I'm going in with that brick red eyeshadow, and then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Alyssa Edwards, and I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Beast. Just making sure that I blend it all in with on the crease, and then I'm going back again with the brick red and just blending in all that harsh dark harsh eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is where I'm gonna cut my crease. Now I'm just being extremely careful so I don't mess it up. Then with the same L.A Girl Wander+Lust palette, I'm going in with that creamy shimmery shade, and I'm just applying it on my lid below the crease. Then again going in with a brick red, just dabbing a bit on the corners of my eyelid just to make sure that everything has a good transition, as well as the Beast eyeshadow, blending it all in. I'm going in with the NYX glitter liner, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease just to make sure that it looks as good as I want it to. It's sort of like a little bit of glitter, but not too much. And this look, guys, I believe that anybody can pull off this look, especially if you're a bride and you don't have the money or the time to hire a makeup artist. And then going in with my favorite eyeliner from Essence, just trying to kind of like create that line that I want on top of my lid. This is just basically just outlining where I want the this liner to go. Making sure that I'm gonna wing it all the way. As well as the front of my lid, I just basically like creating that cat eye type of liner. I'm also gonna line on my bottom lash line, making sure that I join from corner to corner. Using the same creamish eyeshadow from L.A Girl, I'm just gonna put it on the corner of my eyes, and then the brick red right at the bottom of that, underneath that black liner. After that, I'm going with my Big Lash mascara from Essence. Bottom and top lashes must be coated. Then going in with this Bling Girl lashes that I love so much. And if you guys need a tutorial on how to apply lashes, let me know and I'll get back to you. I'm going in with my E.L.F mineral primer. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face with my hands. Then going in with my MAC NC45 liquid foundation. Then going in with my NB3 from Kryolan Concealer. It's cream, not liquid. It's just almost the same shade as my complexion. I just wanted something just a bit lighter to highlight those areas and not over dramatic. Then going in with a darker concealer. For contouring on the sides of my nose, as well as on my cheekbones. And all around my forehead. Because, well, a girl is blessed with a big forehead, so I gotta contour it a bit. Stop scaring people. And then I'm going in with my Benye banana powder, and I'm just gonna apply it on the same areas as I highlighted before with the concealer. Sorry guys, here I'm just making sure that I blend in all the concealer together. And I'm just using a dabbing motion. I'm not swiping, just dabbing. Making sure that I blend in my forehead as well so it doesn't look harsh. Or basically just to erase those hash lines. Then I'm going in with my Benye banana powder, applying it on the same areas as we highlighted with the concealer. And then on the contouring, the darker areas, I'm going in with the Milani Sun-Kissed, Milani Sunset duo powder. And everything will be listed on the description box, so in case you didn't catch anything that I say that I use, which products I use, I'm just gonna make sure that I include in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Now I'm just using my brush, powder brush, and I'm just making sure that I wipe out all the excess powder. And then with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, I'm going in with that yellowish shade, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones. I highlighted the center of my nose, although I didn't show it, and then here I'm going in with my Essence Matte Setting Spray and going in with my L.A Girl Lipliner in Chocolate. Then my Chanel lipstick, it's a nude-ish pink nude shade, and this one is a number 835. That's basically it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more updates.